Hi preschool friends, it's Miss Shelley. It's time for us to do graphic practice. Do you have your marker? Do you have your board? Good job. Remember, we do graphic practice to learn how to self-regulate. That means we learn how to control our body and follow directions. So today we are going to draw something that plants need. What is something you can think of that plants need that is in the sky and it's fluffy and it has rain come down out of it sometimes? That's right, we're going to draw a cloud. You're going to draw a cloud, that's right. So here we go. Remember when the music starts. First, let me show you how to draw a cloud. You can do a half circle, and then another half circle. Just kind of around. Just do the best you can. I want you to leave a little space at the bottom or underneath it because we're going to add three little things in there, okay? So then you'll leave that space there, okay? Because we know that plants need water to grow and to get big. So when the music starts, here we go. The music stops. Then underneath it, we're going to put 1, 2, 3 little lines. That is the rain coming down under each cloud. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The music stopped. Your marker is up. Does your board look like mine with a bunch of rain clouds? Good job, friends. See you later.